Hi, comrades. I got to give a special shout out to my friend Van Prepper. Van, thanks for enlightening me and informing me and introducing me to the Mosin Nagant. This, folks, is the Mosin Nagant. This is a very affordable surplus rifle, be found virtually anywhere. Ammo's cheap and plentiful. In 1926, Comrade Stalin was consolidating his grip on power, and this baby was born in 1926 in Izhevsk Arsenal in the Ural Mountains of Russia. Tens of millions of the Mosin Nagant have been produced worldwide from 1898 up until the 1950s. It's an incredibly robust rifle, with this, a 1926 model, still shooting very accurately. It shoots the very robust 7.62 by 54R, the R standing for round, which is comparable to a 30-06. The good thing about the 7.62 by 54R is most of the surplus ammunition that's on the market nowadays actually has a steel core inside the bullet, able to punch through steel plate up to about 1/4 of an inch thick. This sturdy rifle and hardy round are able to take on any big game on the North American continent, and also serves as a prepper military style rifle. Funny thing, I was at the gun show with my buddy Paul from HTF The Survival Store just the other week, and just in front of me were a couple of, I don't know, 17 to 22-year-old guys looking at the tables, and they came up to the table that had this and a number of other older military rifles on it, and they said, "Oh, this is antiques, let's go elsewhere," and they shoved off. Yet I could see this precious gem sitting there just waiting for me to take it home. Now, this model is actually what's called an extra goon model. Once you get into these rifles, you can understand why lots of folks own multiple Mosin Nagants, because it's just so historic and there's so many interesting facts to learn about it. This particular rifle is 3 inches shorter than the infantry model and was built to issue to mounted infantry units. Later in the 1930s, it went back into the armory for an upgrade to the sights and some other changes to it. This historical firearm may have seen service fighting the Finnish, most certainly fighting the Germans, and who knows what journey it's taken. It could have gone to China, to Vietnam, to Korea, even to Afghanistan, or to 100 other places where Russians exported their rifles. But this one has matching serial numbers throughout, a good clean bore, undinged crown, and a bolt face that has absolutely no stippling in it. So I'm very happy with it. If you're in the market for a rifle, give the Mosin Nagant some consideration. Also a note for all my lefties out there. As you can see, me being a lefty, I've got to actually, to operate the bolt, reach over the top, pull up, back, feed another round, lock it in, and come back on. This is a little bit clunky for a lefty, so be it. But I actually like the way that this bolt handle actually sticks straight out and makes it a bit easier for lefties. Good shooting. Stay safe.